Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. If the numbers -7, m, n and -49 form an AP, then what are the values of m and n? Now we know Tn, that is nth term of an AP, can be found out by a plus n minus 1 into d. So we have fourth term of AP as -49, a as -7, n as 4. So we can easily find d from this information. So -49 equal to -7 plus n minus 1 into n is 4. So 4 minus 1 into d. So we get d as, let's see, minus 30, no, 42, minus 42. 7 when transposed to left hand side adds to -49 and we get -42. So that is equal to 3d. So we get d equal to 3 minus 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So d is equal to -14. Therefore m equal to T2 equal to -7 minus 14, which is equal to -21, and n equal to T3 equal to -14 minus 14, which is equal to -21 minus 14, -21 minus 14, which is equal to -35. So m and n are -21 and -35 respectively. So answer is option B.